Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by launching the Bajaj Finserv app or opening the customer portal in your browser. Make sure your registered mobile is active because OTP will be sent. Once done, choose the loans section immediately. This filters your accounts. You will be asked to verify identity with OTP or document details. This step prevents unauthorized access, so complete it promptly. After verification, the app shows an account list. Pick the loan account type you want to inspect to continue. Now that you have opened the loan account, navigate to the Details or Documents tab. This is where identifiers live. You might need to open statements or disbursement advice. Those PDFs often display the loan number at the top. If the UI shows account ID versus loan no, compare the sequence with your statement sample to confirm which matches. Make sure to scroll through the header and footer. Loan references are commonly placed there, so inspect each document carefully. Once you spot the loan number, copy it exactly and save a screenshot or download the statement for proof. You will need it for payments or queries. Then cross-check that number against the latest EMI statement or your sanction letter to ensure it matches. This prevents misdirected payments. If you cannot find the number or it seems wrong, call customer care with your customer ID and last payment details. They can retrieve or correct the loan number. This is your main troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.